على الكافرين نجنا بنصرنا من كل آفة أنت المجيب الدعاء ربنا زدنا علما نافعا آتنا حسنة في حياتنا السلام عليكم.
Thank you, Aysha Hawwa. Next, I would like to invite Ameen Abdulla for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give parents, teachers and all elders respect. Treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in the well-being and prosperity. Allah lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ameen. Next, I would like to invite Maysha Musthafa for welcome speech.
Assalamu alaikum, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Good morning to all. I am Aysha Musthafa from First B. It's my pleasure to welcome everyone for today's morning assembly. Now I conclude my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Maysha. Next, I would like to invite Jishva for news at a glance.
Good morning all. Welcome to Morning News. I am Jishva, first standard B. COVID scare 4 kids in Maharashtra, Ahmednagar. This is the breaking news. Nearly 9,000 children they tested positive for COVID-19. Thank you.
Thank you, Jishva. Next, I would like to invite Faiha for quote for the day.
Respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning all. I'm Faiha from First B. Today's quote: education is most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Faiha. Next, I would like to invite Alayna for thought for the day.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to all. My name is Alayna. Thought for the day in today's assembly. Today is a great day to learn something new, and practice is a key to our goal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Alayna. Next, I would like to invite Faiha Fathima for speech.
Good morning, my respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, Faiha Fathima of class 1B is going to talk about the importance of sports in our daily life. It is important because it makes us fit and healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Faiha Fathima. Next, I would like to invite Muhammed Anshid.K for the word for the day.
Good morning all. I am Muhammed Anshid of First B. Today's word gorgeous. Gorgeous is meaning beautiful, stunning and spreading. We can
Shayan to present vote of thanks.
Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, a very good morning to you. I am very happy to get an opportunity to deliver the vote of thanks speech. Firstly, I thank our principals, our teachers, and each and everyone who participated today's morning assembly. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Shayan. Next, I would like to invite Numra and Naila for the national anthem.
Good morning, Janagana Mana Adinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uchala Benga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jalaji Taranga तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हिंद थैंक यू हैव a nice day.
Thank you both. Once again, thanks to all my friends
Thank
for
you.
their fabulous presentation. Over to the principal, sir.
Thank you, everyone. It was very nice assembly. Good job, Muhammed Anshid.K of today. I would like to appreciate your effort. You were so active, and I would like to appreciate all the students who came in uniform and ID card today. We're happy to see all of you. Please switch on a video. Those who have ID card and uniform, especially the students of first B, those who participated in today's assembly. Please switch on your video also. Okay, let me take a photo. Right. Thank you. Very nice. Dear students, there is our school election will be conducted on yesterday was a day to complete the nomination by and head girl candidates. And so dear students, yesterday was the last day to submit your nominations, and we have received a total 9 candidates nomination for school head boy and head girl election. And today 5 p.m. is the last date, and that is the deadline for withdrawing the nomination. If there is anyone who doesn't like to participate and otherwise contest as a head boy or head girl candidate for this year's election, they can withdraw their nomination by 5 p.m. today. Then after that, we will be publishing the final list and confirmed list of the head boy and head girl candidates with their symbols also tonight in the NEMS info 1234 group. So it is another special day today. We have it is Doctors Day. National Doctors Day is celebrated today, and as a birthday and the death day of Dr. B.C. Roy. So in memory of him, we are just observing National Doctors Day today, July 1st. I have sent you the posters in the group. Please make it status as maximum possible. And another important thing, dear students, if you wish to have a dance, shall we go for a wake-up song? Are you ready?
Ready, Anna?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Ready.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay, wait. I will play the song.
Ready. As ready. Good morning.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Najath. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Najath. Good morning, sir.
Thank you, Najath.
Give yourself a shake up. Get your body moving. Reach up, jump up. Give your friend a thumbs up. It's another new day. Wake up, wake up. Give yourself a shake up. Get your body moving. Reach up, jump up. Give your friend it's another new day. Get your feet dancing to the beat. Get your body moving. Raise a shout. Let your feelings out. It's another new day. Wake up, give yourself a shake up. Get your body moving. Reach up, jump up, give your friend a thumbs up. It's another new day. Wake up, give yourself a shake up. Get your body moving. Reach up, jump up, give your friend a thumbs up. It's another new day. Get your feet dancing to the beat. Get your body moving. Raise a shout, let your feelings out. It's another new day. Get your feet dancing to the beat. Get your body moving. Raise a shout, let your feelings out. It's another new day. Get your feet dancing to the beat. Get your body moving. Raise a shout, let your feelings out. It's another new day. It's another new day.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. See you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.